Good good morning, sir. So I will explain our simple Python library system. So we are the group 3 po. So these programs po help us manage books using basic options. Add a book, view all books, find a book, delete a book, and exit. So ito po yung initial library data. Dito po yung nakalagay yung mga dictionary na naglalaman ng books. Each book may book ID po, halimbawa 001, yung pong mga number na yan na nakastore ang info niya na title, author, at publisher. And ito naman po yung display menu function. So ito yung function na nagpiprint ng main menu sa screen. Tinatawag ito sa loob ng loop para ulit-ulitin ang pagpili ng user. So dito sa add book function, dito pwedeng maglagay ang user ng bagong book. Ginagamit ng input para hingin ng ID, title, author, at publisher. Tapos isi-save niya sa library dictionary gamit ang bagong book ID. So dito naman sa view books function, ito naman ay nagpiprint ng lahat ng book sa library. So ginamit ang for loop, inisa-isa ang bawat item sa dictionary at pinapakita ang details nila. And sa find book function naman po is hinahanap nito ang book based sa book ID na itatype ng user. Kapag nakita or ipapakita yung details, kung wala, magpiprint ng book not found. And yung delete book function naman is para mag-delete ng book. Kung valid ang book ID, i-delete niya po ito sa dictionary. Kapag mali naman po is magpiprint ng book not found. So pag nilan yung code, ganito yung makikita yung library system menu. Add a book, view all books, find a book by ID, delete a book, and exit. So for example, enter choice type 1 and then enter book ID, enter a book title, Python programming, and the author John Doe, and the publisher. And for example naman is view all books. So type 2, type po natin yung 2 and then enter. So makikita dito yung mga books, makikita yung ID, title, author, and publisher. And next po is find book by ID. Type 3, type po natin yung 3 and then yung book ID, type lang po natin yung ID and then yun na po, makikita na po dito yung ID, title, author, and publisher. Next po is delete a book. Type lang po natin yung 4. Then delete po yung type lang po yung ID na gusto mong i-delete. For example, 005. Then yun na po. Book delete successfully or deleted successfully. And then type 5 to exit. Yun lang po. So yung ginawa po namin is simple Python library system lang po. So yun lang po. Thank you po.